Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you how to compute a raster into a polyline using the R.to.vect grass tool. So what we've got so far is a hydrologic network, aka a stream network, that we extracted using the stream extract tool. And right now our hydrologic network is in a little bit of a funny format. It's in an integer raster called Mid-Gorge Streams 2, and in this raster, essentially most of the pixels have a no data value. So if you click anywhere on this raster, you see a no data value. But some of the pixels, if we zoom way in, have a value. That's a positive value. It's just an identifier for that stream segment. And also keep in mind, this is an integer raster. So if you look at the data type, it's a 16-bit unsigned integer. So what we want to do is we want to convert this integer raster into a bunch of polylines, a network of polylines. And we're going to use the R.to.vect tool. I believe this only works for integer rasters. And it's often done with binary rasters, where a raster would have only values of ones or zero. So our input raster is going to be mid-gorge streams, what I just showed you. The feature type, we want to put out a line feature type, a polyline. And we're not going to worry about the value. We'll just let that default into whatever attribute column it wants to. And I think we are going to leave all these unchecked as well. And we will give it a permanent file name. So I use the file name Mid-Gorge Rast2vect to denote that this is the conversion, and it is going to be a shapefile, so it has a .shp extension. So we'll hit run. Shouldn't take too long. Great, so that finished. Let's have a look at the output product. We can turn everything else off, and sure enough, we have a nice network of polylines. Please be aware, this isn't one single polyline. So if you use the select tool, you'll see it's a bunch of features. And if you open the attribute table, you'll see they all have a unique value. Stay tuned in the next video. I'm going to show you how to use the dissolve tool to make this into one feature.